So let's start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown pulling you up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. So bring the arms down, we'll take the legs nice and wide, and bring the right arm up, inhale, exhale gently to the left, come back to center, inhale, exhale a little bit further if it feels okay, come back to center, inhale, and exhale, and swap the arms, inhale, lengthen up, exhale gently to the right, inhale back, inhale lengthen, exhale over, come back to center, inhale and exhale, come back and bring the arms shoulder level for a twist. So inhale first, exhale twist to the left, inhale center, exhale twist to the right, inhale, exhale twist, inhale center, exhale, inhale back, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale back, exhale twist, inhale, and exhale, inhale, bring the arms down. So bring the feet back to hip width and we'll just work on the shoulders. We'll start with tiny shoulder rolls back. So it's not a big movement, just really warming up the shoulders. And then roll the shoulders forwards. And roll that left one back. Right one forward. And together. So left back, right forward. And then take the right one back. Left one forward. And together, so right back, left forward, or whatever movement you can make. It takes a lot of thinking about, so don't get frustrated. So bring the left arm across the body, right one on top, elbows hooked in, forearms up, palms together. So we're working on the eagle pose. So at any point this gets nice and easy, you want a deeper stretch, you can just lift the elbows. Remember, nothing should hurt. So bring the arms down, do the other side. So right arm first, left on top. Bring the forearms up, palms together. So again, just in your own time, whenever you feel you want that extra stretch, you can lift the elbows, because one side might be a lot tighter than the other. You just listen to the body, do what feels right. And bring the arms down. So standing on that right leg will bring the left leg across, trying to tuck the left toes around the back of the calf, the right calf, and we'll bring the left arm across, right one on top. Forearms up, palms together. So coming on out and do the other side. So standing on the left, take that right leg high and across, tucking the toes around the back of the calf, right arm across the body, left one on top, forearms up, palms together. We'll do one more each side. So have a little bend in that right leg, bring the left one across. So try and squeeze the legs together. Bring the left arm across, right on top. Forearms up, palms together. You can either stay here or we'll bring the elbows down to the knees. So if you want to try that, try it with the breathing. So a deep inhale first and a long exhale down. See if that works better for you. And carefully come back up and do the other side. So standing on the left, bring the right leg across. Bring the right arm, then the left. So if you want to, inhale and exhale, bring the elbows down to the knee. And control back out. So standing pose, we'll do extend as a side angle, just the one on each side. So starting with the legs nice and wide, we'll turn that right foot 90 degrees. Bend in the knee, so the knee tracking in the same direction as the toes. Keep the body facing forwards. And just leaning sideways, either with the hand or the forearm on the thigh. If you want to, bring that left arm across diagonally and look up towards the sky. And breathe. And we'll come on up, turn the feet around. So make sure that left knee doesn't drop inwards. And we lean sideways. You can either keep the hand on the hip or bring it across the head, looking for that diagonal line from the back foot all the way to the fingertips. And if it feels okay, we'll look up to the sky. And then we'll come on out and finish with a good posture and the breathing. Shoulders back and down, crown to the sky. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. So just keep the belly relaxed. And notice how the belly expands on the in-breath. Bring the arms down, and we're all done.